Today I'm sharing with you how to make Dalitoy, a Konkani Style Dal that is much loved in the Konkani GSB community, as just Dalithoy paired with rice represents like the ultimate comfort food for most Konkanis, and it's super quick and easy to make while being really flavorful. And here's how to make it. I have boiled 1 cup of tur dal for this recipe, which is what I've been traditionally using. You can also go with yellow moong dal or a mix of the two based on your preferences. And I'm adding a cup of water to thin out the dal a bit. You can adjust this too based on your preferred consistency. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of salt or to taste and 2 small green chillies slit in two and give everything a quick mix. Then cook the dal on medium flame till it comes to a proper boil. In the meanwhile, in a small tadka pan, lightly heat up 1.5 tablespoons of ghee, or you can even go with coconut oil. To it, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait till it starts to properly crackle. Then add about 15 curry leaves. Let it roast for a few seconds and add half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida powder and let it roast for another few seconds and then turn off the flame. Now add the tempering to the dal, which must have come to a proper boil by now. Mix it in and done. Dalithoy is ready to be served. Wasn't that easy? With so few ingredients, it gets ready in literally minutes, especially if you have boiled dal ready to go, and turns out really delicious and comforting. Try it if you haven't already and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!